Hello, this is my final video on circumference and area of circles. In this video, we're purely building on the skills you already know. We are going to look at finding fractions of the circumference and the area. The arc length is a part of the circumference or part of the distance around the outside. So in this problem, it would be that yellow curved around the outside. If we want to find the arc length, we're going to start by using our past formula. We're going to find the circumference as if it was a full circle. Then we're going to figure out what fraction of a circle we have, and we're going to multiply the circumference by that fraction. Let's check this one out. Okay, my circumference. Well, first I have 18 as a radius. So I know circumference is 2 times pi times radius. So 2 times pi times 18. Using my calculator, that gives me 113.1. But that would be true if I had the full circle. But notice I don't have a full circle. I only have part of it. I can tell that that's a 90-degree angle. If I went ahead and divided that circle based on that 90-degree angle, I would see that I have 1/4 of the circle. So if I want to find that green arc length, I need 1/4 of my circumference. So my arc is going to equal 1/4 times 113.1. If you don't have a fraction key on your calculator, 1/4 you can find by 1 divided by 4, and then times 113.1. That gives me an arc length of 28.275. Let's try another one. A semicircle fence is built with a diameter of 12 feet, and that's built next to a house. How much fencing is needed? So I need a fence just for that curved part. I'm going to start by imagining I have the full circle and find the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 12 feet. Well, circumference can be found by pi times diameter. So pi times 12. The entire circle would have a circumference of 37.7. We are told this is a semicircle. A semicircle means half of a circle. So my fence is going to be half of 37.7. So 37.7 divided by 2 tells me I need 18.85 feet of fencing. Just as we found a part of the circumference, we can also find a part of the area. We call that a sector. A sector is like a slice of pizza, and we can find the sector's area by finding the full circle's area and then again multiplying it by the fraction. Remember, area is pi times radius squared. So if I had a full circle, I would have an area of pi times 18 squared. That would give me an area of 1017.9. Again, and that would be the full circle. But as we found out with arc length, we don't have the full circle. We have 1/4 of it. So my sector will be equal to 1/4 times the full area. So 1/4 times 1017.9 Rounding to 1 decimal would give me a sector area of 254.5. Let's return to our fencing problem. Again, remember we had a semicircle fence with a diameter of 12 feet. We already found out how much fence we need, but now imagine we want to figure out how much area is inside that fence. So first we're going to find the area as if it was a full circle. Remember, area is pi times radius squared. In this problem, we're given the diameter. The diameter is 12. Radius is half of that, so the radius is 6. That allows us to find the area. Our area will be pi times 6 squared. So if I had the entire circle, I would have an area of 113.1. But I only have half of that. Remember, a semicircle was half of the circle. So my fence area is going to be half times 113.1. And that gives me a total area of 56.55 square feet. Great job today with our circle formulas.